What's up to all the cool people out there? Today, I wanted to just give a quick rundown of how I'm doing the breezeways. So I've been doing the pump up sprayers, and I do have a soft wash system, but again, too many hoses running around this place, and this is a big apartment complex. But I've been doing, let's see, gallon and a half of water. And then I've been doing about a quart to about 40 ounces. A quart's 32 ounces to about 40 ounces of SH or chlorine. And it takes me about 3 full ones to do the floors. So, and what I'll do is I start at the top, obviously, and wash everything down. But so I tape one side off, and then where the crack is, basically right here, I'll do 3/4 of the building. I'll spray, and it's just a light mist. It's not like I'm coating these. It doesn't really need it, other than like the stains you see. And I'll coat it all the way back, and I'll do the same thing on the 3rd floor. I'll do 3/4 of the building, coat it all the way down to the 1st floor, basically like the front, and then I'll wash the building. So, because I don't want water going off the backside where it's open to people be able to leave the apartment, right? So much prep work goes into this. I had no idea. First apartment building. But yeah, so I can get 3/4 of the building done in one shot. I squeegee the center out because a lot of standing water in here, and I just don't want that sitting up here. Squeegee it back to the side I have taped off, and then basically untape this side, start on the other side. Basically do the same thing again, but I'm only having to wash 1/4 of the building, and then I have enough hose. I can wash 3rd, 2nd, and then the whole 1st floor out, and then the front of the building. And typically, by myself, it's taken me 3 hours, but I got a helper this week. Whew. I definitely underestimated that, and I should have accounted for that when I did the bid. I should have just assumed I needed a helper, right? But I'm paying him $18 an hour. I don't know if that's good or bad in the world of pressure washing, but maybe if someone wants to drop a comment in the section, what do you pay your helpers? That'd be awesome. And then I got it down to exactly an hour and a half per 3-story breezeway. So we're able to do 3 a day. I did 4 last Friday, but that was rough doing that by yourself. Even with the helper, it was a long ass day. I didn't get out of here until started at 8:30, and I think I pulled the trailer out of here at 6:30 that afternoon. It was a long ass Friday, but I got 4 done, and I'm only 2 breezeways behind according to what I gave the apartment complex, because they definitely want to know when you're going to be done and off property. That's all they care about, right? But anyways, hope everyone has a great Tuesday. Holla at ya.